The European requirements for clinical evaluations outlined in MEDDEV 2.7.1 are the European version of the GHTF Clinical Evaluation Document SG5 N2R8 2007. It has been adapted to the requirements in the Medical Device and Active Implantable Device Directives. A complete outline of this MEDDEV is provided in a separate WMDO course. In this course, we will review the important steps regulatory and notified body professionals need to take into account and understand in order to ensure compliance with the clinical evaluation part of the essential requirements pertinent to the medical device in question. This course has further taken into account the requirements for clinical evaluations stated in ISO 14155, as well as the NBOG checklist for auditing the notified body review system of clinical data or clinical evaluation. MEDDEV 2.7.1 provides in Section 5.2 and Figure 1 three distinct steps which we will take into further consideration here. Before starting with the 3 stages described, 2 essential steps are needed. The conduct of a risk assessment in order to define the safety claims and risk-benefit profile of the medical device. Development of the device to a stage of design to allow description of clear performance claims and definition of technical characteristics. Without these 2 steps, a medical device clinical evaluation cannot commence because the scope clearly cannot be defined. To start a clinical evaluation, you need to have clear intended use, which will form the basis for the scope of the clinical evaluation and ensure significant comparable data can be selected, and well-defined safety claims and risk-benefit analysis for the medical device to be evaluated. These will then have to be verified against the safety and risk-benefit analysis of comparable devices as published in the literature or other sources of data. The technical characteristics need to be documented for a defined design of the medical device, so that once again the literature can be searched for adequate comparator data. And obviously we need to be able to define performance claims and find the necessary clinical data of other devices to substantiate these claims for the new medical device.